In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel your Gusto account. To begin, make sure you are signed into your Gusto account on a desktop or laptop, since account settings are usually easiest to manage from a full browser view. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct company account before you make any changes, especially if you manage more than one organization. Once you are on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Near the bottom of that left menu, you will see your profile icon or your company name. This is the area where Gusto keeps important account-level settings, including billing and subscription options. Click on your profile or company name to open the menu for those settings. Next, look for the option labeled Billing and select it. This will take you to the billing page where you can view your current plan and any related subscription details. On this page, you may see information like your plan type, billing cycle, and other account management options. Read the page carefully so you understand what is tied to the account you are about to cancel. Now find and click the option that says Cancel Account. Gusto typically places this in the billing area because cancellation affects your subscription and any future charges. When you select Cancel Account, you will be taken to a confirmation flow. At this stage, it is important to slow down and read each message on the screen. Some services provide reminders about access changes, final invoices, or what happens to your data after cancellation. To finish, click Continue to cancel. This final confirmation step is what completes the cancellation request. After you continue, watch for an on-screen confirmation that your account has been canceled or that your cancellation is scheduled or processed. If a confirmation message appears, it is a good idea to keep the tab open for a moment so you can review it and look for any confirmation details provided on the page. And that is all there is to it.